Well, hi everybody, and welcome back. We've actually managed to get down the allotment today, so we'll just have a quick walk round and show you what we're doing. Camera might be a bit unsteady, a bit shaky, but we're sort of holding it as we're walking along. As you can see, the pond is really quite full. All that rain we've had. Actually, it's near enough coming out the edges there onto the path, so that's quite full up the old pond. Just to show you how much rain we've had. And I mean, it was even raining this morning, but it's not too bad. Show you some of the little plots. Obviously got standing water in the old track where the cars have been up and down, but there is standing water on the plots over there. So I expect this is how most allotments look at this time of year. Windswept and forgotten, but that'll all soon be changing. As you can see, basically they're all the same sort of state as everyone else's. That's we're sort of just coming down to ours now. We'll walk a little bit quicker, and yeah, someone's got some early rhubarb coming up there. That's quite good. And obviously the daffs are in flower. We've got a few daffodils on our plot, and obviously there we go. That's our plot over there. So we've got some helleborus flowers just down there for the bees. Looks like a full cyphia there. The raspberries, obviously nothing there. Strawberry breads, well, it's too early for them anyway. And a lone daffodil on that particular one. And it looks like something's been eating our leeks, ripping the tops off, so it's got to be either pigeons or partridges or something like that. That's the sort of one which tears at the leaves. The fennel's all died down now, but there is new growth coming up, as you can see. Obviously the leeks want looking at. A few more little daffodils. There's quite a nice little splash of colour there. It's quite good, and some daffodils at the end. And it's got all the herbs are doing okay. Lots of rosemary. That's good. Yeah, the pigeons have had a field day here. Just picked it to bits. Mind you, our fault really. I suppose I should have covered it. Same with these ones over here. Never actually quite got to know what they were. I think they're some kind of sprouting broccoli, but really strange off. They're very long, tall they were as well. So that was the potato bed, and obviously the dahlias are all in front, but they'll be coming up again shortly. Got a few Tate daffs and some ordinary daffodils, and there's a few strawberry plants there. But as you can see, we've got standing water on the plot, so if you're just walking it, you'll sink. Parsnips, they look like they're starting to sprout, so that means they've gone a bit woody maybe. We might dig one or two of them up later on just to have a look. A few more daffs. I mean, that's all the fruit, the apples and the pears and the plums. As you say, they're just starting to bud, they are. This one's starting to get away. Globe artichoke. That's our plum tree. That's our crocosmia down there. All starting to come up, and a few glads. That's sort of a bit of a garden we sort of like trying to promote there. Got a corkscrew hazel looking quite nice. And quite a few other plants will be up later on. I don't know what the bees are doing at the moment. Let's have a look, see. Oh, I can see one flying, two flying. So they're still busy. I don't know if you can see the ones on that side. Are they flying about? Can't see there. But well, that's good. Got an old rotavator here we've got to get rid of. This is our main compost heap. It's quite a size, this one. We've got another compost heap on the other plot. There's our garlic growing. That looks quite good at the moment. Not bad at all. cabbages. Lucky the old, nearly dropped me water there. Lucky the old pigeons haven't found these. God, they'll be rating straight into them. Let's just take the old cover off here and have a look. Well, there's some nice little plants there all growing, aren't they? Just starting to heart up maybe? Well, no, not really. But we're definitely going to go have an early cabbage crop there. This was where we grew all our chilies last year, so I just sort of put these in and overwintered them. So we've got loads more cabbages to go in, but they're doing quite well. Nice early start, and obviously the netting is just to keep the birds off, but it's blown off that far end, so I'll have to put it back. Very lucky the pigeons haven't got it, and I've just stepped in a big puddle. Oh my god, we're swimming again, as you can see. And it turns to there. That's not too bad. As you can see, it still can't really do too much here. At least with the paving steps, paving slabs, you can sort of walk between the beds. This wants a damn good clean up, this one does. But there is new growth coming through. I don't know if we've got any frogs growing here, have we? Can't see any. There were some here last year. Let's have a look. Should be alive with frogs. Oh look, I just stepped there. Look at the water. Gosh, and there. The old allotments a bit wet, should we say the least. There's a bit more to there, so there's a bit more water there standing. Got a little bit of kale left. Birds haven't managed to eat all of that, so that's okay. But otherwise it's gone to seed, so I think maybe that's had it now. But we'll see. A little bit of chard, might be a bit tough. Got a few more leeks growing there. Got some parsley. We're just having a swim with the water here. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, so once again the old pigeons have had a good go. Got some more parsnips here. And there should be some carrots somewhere. Let's have a little dig. Yuck. Look at that little beauty there, eh? We'll be taking some of them home today. That's another one. Let's have another little dig. Oh, I broke that one. Well, hopefully they won't be too woody inside, because they've actually started to grow again, but I've got dirty hands there. Look, where am I going to wash that? That'll be alright. So, a few little herbs growing there, a bit of thyme, a few more daffs, a coriander plant there. No, sorry, a curry plant, not coriander. Bit of a mess over here, and as you can see, we've got standing water at the end of the plot there. Now this is all going to be potato beds this year. Got to dig it all up, move the raspberry canes, so they're going to go somewhere else, and I think the black currants, they can stay. Got some more parsnips there, you guarantee they'll be tough. Going to pick some Brussels sprouts today. Seems to have quite a few plants here. Obviously some have blown, some haven't. The covers fell off of that, so the birds have had a go. Plum tree's looking alright. Actually not a plum, that's a green gauge, that one. Green gauge, that one. A few daffodils still. They're looking really good. This was our cabbage bed last year, and our Brussels sprouts. So